Now we want to treat that quantity. We want to draw a table now. Okay, to continue the calculations of the quantity demanded as the price changes in price. Okay, as there are changes in price. Okay, we want to do the quantity demanded as the price changes. Now I want you to take your biro. Take your biro, please. Take your biro. Just draw a table. Draw three rows and 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, if you use Excel or you can just use your biro or anything. Now, on top of the first one, you have price in naira. Then the second one is quantity demanded. Then under it, you have A, B. Okay, under price, that's 1, 2, that's 2. Let's just say 3. The first row form the headings. Okay, form about 2 columns. While the other one form the body is another 2 columns and 1, 2, 3 rows. 2 columns and 2 rows and 3 columns rather. Now we have price under naira, then quantity demanded. Now under price you have 100. That's A by the left. A. Then under quantity demanded A you have 80. When is 100 naira, 80 quantity demanded. 80 quantity demanded. Then B. When is 110 naira. Under price naira you have 110. Okay. Then you have when it is 110, 60 quantity were demanded. Okay. That is it. Now we are asked to calculate. Now we are going to the calculation right now. We are asked to calculate 1. A, we should calculate number 1, percentage change in quantity demanded. Percentage change in quantity demanded. Calculate, just go down and write, calculate 1. Percentage change in quantity demanded. Then 2, percentage change in price. 2, calculate percentage change in price. Then 3, the coefficient of price elasticity of demand. That's 3. The coefficient of price elasticity of demand. Then 4. What type of elasticity of demand is this? That is the question we are given to answer. Okay. Now let's go to the table right now. We are going to treat the first one, the percentage change in quantity demanded. Percentage change in quantity demanded. Now, we'll go into that right now. Percentage change in quantity demanded. Now, you look it. Now, this is table 1, table 2 to 1. Quantity of a good demanded as price changes. That is table 2-1. Now, this is the table I said we should draw. Look at it. Price. You see the first row now. Price in naira. Then the second one, quantity demanded. Now, under it, you can see this price, as I said. Now you can see it now. A, 100 naira. When it was 100 naira, look at it. When it was 100 naira, 80 quantity demanded. When it was, that's B. Okay? B. When it is 110 naira, that increment of 10 naira has been increased. Okay? Due to market forces. Then 60 quantity were demanded. Okay? Now, table 1, now let's calculate. Table 2-1 as we calculate the quantity of a good. Now, 2-1. Calculate. Okay, let's calculate 1 A. Okay, the A, or you put it 1 as number 1 or A. Let's calculate percentage. Say to percentage in this percentage. Look at it. Look at it. Let's see. Look at it. A percentage at it. You can see percentage in quantity demand. You see it? Demanded, which is equals to, look at it, equals to, this is the formula, percentage, you can see it, percentage D, that's change in quantity demand. This represent the capital D represent the D that represent the change in quantity demanded. That's D Q D, that's small d demanded, is equals to change in, which is equals to change in quantity demanded. Change in quantity demanded, okay, change in quantity demanded, all over, okay, all over original, look at this, all over the original quantity, all over the original quantity, times 100 all over 1. Now, if you calculate it now, what was the quantity demand? What was the change in quantity demand when it was 100? So we have change in quantity demanded. Quantity demanded will be 80 minus 60. That's what we have here. That's change in quantity demand. Percentage. Now we shall look at it. 80 minus 60. Okay. All over the original price. Original price. How much was it? Was 100, and it was 20 times the original price, that's 100, okay, when it was price was 100 naira, that is it here, okay, now times, that's percentage rather, then 80 naira, see 80, okay, times, that's 80 minus 60 all over 80 times 100 over 1 is give you 20. If you subtract 60 from 80, give you 20 over 80, that's it. 20 over 80, okay, 20 over 80 times 100 over 1 is give you 25%. Okay, therefore, the percentage change in quantity demanded is equal to 25%. That is just the calculation there. Okay, now we are going to treat. Now the next one we are going to treat now is the other one that is fully explained. That's just we are going to treat the percentage in change in price. We have just treated the percentage change in quantity demanded. Now we are going to treat the next one we will treat now is percentage in change in price. Keep coming, keep subscribing, keep inviting friends. Thank you.